Today I'm going to be showing you how to combine and merge PDF files. Now if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing, and after you've done that, let's get into it. So as you can see here on my desktop, I have 3 PDFs that I'd like to convert into a single image. If we just click on one of these, you can see one's just 1, second one is 2, and so on, just so you can see what happens once they finally merge. You can have more or less than 3 images. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure you have all of your files available. Once you have your files ready, we're going to open a web browser, and in the search field, we're going to search for small PDF. And then we're going to navigate to smallpdf.com. And up here at the top, we can see there's a merge button. We're going to go ahead and click that and hit choose files. And on my desktop, I have the 3 files that we want to select, so I'm going to hold Shift and select all of them and say Open. And here you can see we can actually move them around if we need. So if we need to move them around from 1, 2 to 3, or whatever position we want, we can do that now. Once you have that done, we're just going to go ahead and hit Finish. And it'll create our one PDF, so it's in one file, and then all we have to do is hit download, and it'll download our new PDF. And here is our merged file with all of our PDFs files all in one PDF. I hope this has been beneficial to you. Thank you for watching.